Nestled within a thoughtfully curated landscape, this high-angle outdoor garden scene exemplifies the zenith of garden design, melding natural beauty with artistic precision. The centerpiece of this tranquil haven is an elegant square pond, its dark, reflective surface serving as a mirror to the sky above. A gentle fountain rises from its depths, adding a soothing soundtrack to the serene ambiance. Framed by robust, dark-stained wooden beams, the pond is enriched with aquatic plants flourishing in rich, black soil, creating an idyllic ecosystem. Surrounding this aquatic focal point is a meticulously arranged border of smooth, gray river stones, enhancing the pond's natural allure. The garden is a testament to topiary art, featuring a lush array of greenery that captivates the senses. Spherical topiary bushes add sculptural interest, while vibrant flowering plants in crisp white ceramic pots bring a touch of elegance. Anchoring the scene is a Japanese maple tree, proudly displayed in a chic square gray stone planter, its delicate foliage providing a striking contrast to the more structured elements of the design. The color palette is a harmonious blend of natural greens, earthy browns, and soft grays, punctuated by the vibrant red accents of the maple's leaves. On one side, a modern fence crafted from horizontal, light-toned wooden planks stands as a stylish boundary, supported by slender dark vertical elements that offer a contemporary touch. Opposite, a solid gray vertical plank fence ensures privacy, allowing the garden to serve as a secluded retreat. A small rustic wooden cabinet, adorned with simple white decorative objects, adds warmth and charm, inviting visitors to linger in this peaceful space. The lighting in this garden oasis is soft and diffused, reminiscent of an overcast day, which beautifully accentuates the textures of the wood, stone, and lush foliage. This thoughtfully designed outdoor space not only provides a feast for the eyes, but also cultivates a sense of calm, making it the perfect escape from the hustle and bustle of daily life.